I got a subscriber's request to show the low-light performance of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Well, here it is. So this is a scene shot on the super wide angle lens, and the quality is really not good. Now here we have the same scene, and the video was taken with the main camera lens. The quality is amazing. Here's the same scene shot with the telephoto lens. The quality is acceptable, not amazing, but also not bad. Now let's compare the photo quality of the three different cameras. So the super wide angle, when you take a look at the bushes and the greens, everything looks like a wild mush. You can't see structures or textures. Taking the same picture with the main camera, you can actually see details and structures, and everything looks very clean. Now, the telephoto lens is a mix of both qualities. It is not bad, it is not good either. Now here's something very interesting. So, in theory, you can switch between the lenses while filming, but in reality you can't. If you're recording on the super wide angle lens and while filming you're switching to the main lens, you still get the crappy quality of the super wide angle camera. You don't get the perfect quality of the main camera lens. Now look at the difference of image quality I'm getting when I'm turning off my camera, select the main lens and then start filming. Now switching from the main camera lens to the telephoto lens works. I guess it's because you're coming from a superior quality. Especially in low light, you'll notice a lot of lens flare on the telephoto lens and the main lens. And here are photos from the same scene. First shot is taken on the super wide angle lens, the second on the main camera, and the third one on the telephoto lens. Now let's take a look at the quality side by side. So first let's look at the center quality at 200% and then move over to the corners. As you can see, the quality coming from the super wide angle lens is really disappointing. The best quality comes from the main lens, followed by the telephoto. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you soon again. Bye for now.